Mainit na balita.
General Wilkins, eto, last warning ko sa iyo sa nangyari. You're lying. Gusto mo i-cite ko na? Paano pa yung mukha mo eh? You're not respecting this committee. And I warn you, did you really interrogate personally, Jed Pilapil?
Yun nga, Mr. Chair, hindi ko kasi maalala na nakinausap ko siya. Basta ang alam ko, nasa opisina siya, Mr. Chair.
Ayun
And
yung
I
problema.
don't lie, Mr. Chair.
You're not lying, you lie!
May I
Yes.
move that the serving of the penalty of contempt will be served when we come back after the holiday seasons in January. So move, Mr. Chair.
In the spirit of your forgiveness, the season of forgiveness, I would go with the motion of General Ako.
Thank
And
you,
a second
Congressman
motion.
Adjong. There was a second. Hearing no objections, the motion is carried.
Pares tayo nanggaling sa police, di ba? You are more ranking than Colonel Asher. Tama.
Pareho lang kami nun, Mr. Chair.
Pero yung issue ay drugs. Tama.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
And pursuant to the law, lahat ng operation ng police tungkol sa illegal drugs, it should be coordinated with PIDEA. Pursuant to the law. Tama.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So in other words, sa joint operation na binabanggit mo, ikaw ang overall ground commander.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
And you are the one responsible for what your men will do, will not do. Tama?
Yes, Mr.
Under
Chair.
the principle of command responsibility. Eh, bakit
Yes.
dinideny mo ngayon na hindi mo alam? You should accept responsibility for all the things that your people did outside the bounds of law. Di ba? Turo sa atin yan eh. And now, here, naririnig ko yung sagot mo kay SDS. You do not know anything about it. Inihuhulog mo na yung mga tao mo. And that is not supposed to be the case for a commander. Di ba? Kaya sagutin mo si Juan, si SDS ng tama. You are the overall commander of the joint operation. Kung ano man ang mali doon, sagot mo dapat. Kasi ikaw ang commander eh.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes, answer the questions of the SDS properly. Kasi, nagtataka ako. Parehas tayo ng pinanggalingan. Pero hindi ganyan yung katuro sa akin. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Man,
Thank you, Congressman Akop. With the indulgence again of Congressman
Okay, I will give the
Gonzales.
floor to Chairman
Okay,
Caraps.
Congressman Paduano, you are recognized.
Chairman, anyway, naunahan lang ako ni Chairman Akop. Kasi, General Wilkins, eto, last warning ko sa iyo sa nangyari, you're lying. Gusto mo i-cite ko na? Paano pa yung mukha mo eh? You're not respecting this committee. And I warn you, this will be the last. Kanina nang tinatanong kita, akala mo hindi kita babalikan? Now you admit that it's all about your command responsibility. Well, in fact, magtuturuan na, aserto, dinideny mo. Of course, your words against the words of aserto. Now, eto si Jed. Did you really interrogate personally, Jed Pilapil?
Yun nga, Mr. Chair, hindi ko kasi maalala na nakinausap ko siya. Basta ang alam ko, nasa opisina siya, Mr. Chair.
Ayun
And
yung
I
problema.
don't lie, Mr. Chair.
You're not lying, you lie! Just a few minutes ago. Sa harap ko. Sinabi mo na that authority was delegated to your personnel.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Nung tinanong ka ni Chairman Akop, inamin mo. Question of command responsibility. Are you not lying?
No, Mr. Chair.
Also, Mr. Chairman, with that, I move to cite in contempt General Wilkins. Pasensyahan po tayo dito. In violation of Section C, Section 11, letter C, of our rules. So move, Mr. Chairman. Pinagbigyan na nga kita. Yun pa ang sagot mo?
There is a motion to cite in contempt General Wilkins Villanueva for violating Section 11, paragraph C, refusal to answer relevant questions from the committee. This was duly seconded. And do I hear any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Mr. Chairman, can I move for 1 minute? Suspension.
1 minute suspension. The chair just ruled on a motion to cite in contempt General Wilkins Villanueva. And this was duly seconded, and there was no objections recorded, and the motion was carried. But in a huddle between my co-chairs, we were discussing as to where we will detain General Wilkins Villanueva to serve the contempt order by this committee. But before that, our Senior Deputy Speaker has signified his intention to make a manifestation. So at this point, I'd like to recognize Senior Deputy Speaker Gonzales for his manifestation.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman, because the question emanates from my part, because I'm asking DG Wilkins about the warrant of arrest, and he did not answer. And I passed to, I give the floor to Congressman Acop, and then followed by Congressman Duano. Well, that's why I asked for a 1 minute suspension, if they will serve the contempt now, or maybe because in the spirit of Christmas, it's holiday, you're here. And I give the floor to General Acop, Congressman Acop.
Congressman Acop, what is the pleasure of Congressman Acop?
May I make some minor amendment to the motion?
Please continue.
Since we have ruled that General Wilkins Villanueva to be cited in contempt, may I move that the serving of the penalty of contempt will be served when we come back after the holiday season in January. So move, Mr. Chair.
There is a motion as stated. Are there any second?
Chairman, Mr. Chairman, before we rule, because it is seconded, may we ask some members? Nobody seconded.
Is there a second? So the motion of Congressman Acop is to implement the contempt order of General Villanueva after the holidays. Is this the amendment to the motion?
No, I would like to second the motion. You know, I believe in the spirit of Christmas, and I'm not even a Christian. So, in the spirit of your forgiveness, the season of forgiveness, I would go with the motion of General Acop.
Thank
And I
you,
second the
Congressman
motion.
Adjong. There was a second. Any objection? Hearing none, hearing no objections, the motion is carried. The serving of the detention of General Wilkins Villanueva as a result of the contempt ordered by this committee will be implemented when we resume the Quadcom hearing in January of 2025. So now to continue.
Mr. Chairman, just for clarification, I will not object to the amendments to the motion by this representation. But when you say resumption of the Quadcom, the hearing, or the resumption of session?
The
Or else?
resumption of the next scheduled Quadcom hearing, which we will determine before the opening of or the resumption of our session in January 12.
I think, Mr. Chairman, it's just, in a way, it's a compromise, no? What we have done is a compromise, but I think it's mas maganda pa po kasing schedule for the next hearing of Quadcom will be set pa upon resumption. I think upon resumption, Mr. Chairman,
When you mean
January 13, because
The-
the resumption of Congress is January 13.
Congress will go on break on December 19, and we will resume on January 13, 2025. So the detention of General Villanueva will take effect on January 13. Is that
Yes, Mr. Chairman, to have a specific date, and siguro naman mahaba na yung ano.
okay? No, are there any objections? Hearing none, the motion is carried. So, Comsec, please take note of the motions amended motion that was adopted by the committee. So now we continue with our interpellations. The next to interpellate is Congressman Ernix Junicio. You have 10 minutes.
Mr. Chair, sorry, kanino na po ba tayo, Mr. Chair? Do
You
we
can
proceed?
ask anyone, any member who
Oh, yes.
wishes to intervene can ask anybody.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. We are here, actually pumunta ako ngayong araw na to, Mr. Chair, para dun sa manifestation na binanggit ko noong nakaraan na hearing, Mr. Chair, regarding the case of a dear friend of mine who was killed through an EJK. He's an EJK victim, Delphine Britannico, Your Honor. The brother, which is also a close friend of mine, Mr. Salvador Britannico, is here. I hope, Mr. Chair, that we could give him some leeway and a little bit of time just to tell us the story of the death of his brother, Mr. Chair.
Did you prepare a statement, Mr. Britannico?
Mr. Chair, I did prepare a brief statement.
So brief, meaning
Very
brief.
brief.
Okay, I just
Statement,
wanted to
probably
emphasize
5
it's a
minutes.
brief statement.
Yes.
Yes, you may do so. Please proceed.